Hello! Welcome back to our channel. It's so great to have you. In today's recipe, we are going to share with you how to make homemade bread. Please like this video, drop a comment, and share. Also follow our page and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's get started. Pour warm milk in a bowl, some dry active yeast, and some salt. Mix to combine. After it's combined, add in all-purpose flour and mix together until it forms a dough. Add in oil and knead again for about 3 to 5 minutes. What we want is a non-sticky, stretchy dough. Now cover and let it rest for about an hour. After 1 hour, transfer the dough to our working surface. Cut into smaller pieces and roll each piece into a ball shape. After that, sprinkle some flour on the work surface and with a roll-in pan, roll it to form a sausage shape. Follow the process as demonstrated in the video. When done with rolling, add salt into boiling water and boil the dough for 2 minutes. When done, place on the baking tray. With the help of a sharp knife or a blade, make some marks on each of the dough and bake for 25 to 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. All done! Our bread is ready. It's soft inside and crunchy outside. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video, drop a comment below, and follow our page. Please also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more recipes. See you all in our next video.